Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Whether you walk, run, or work, the right socks can make all the difference. These Danish endurance socks have been so comfortable, and I like the unique features where they mark the left and the right foot, so when you go to put it on, it makes it easy. And even though that the material is thin, it is not too thin where you see through it. I try to walk every day, and these socks have been very comfortable and have kept my feet dry no matter how many miles that I've walked. And if I want to be able to jog, or even if I want to wear them with boots and do some type of landscaping or construction work, they have been wonderful. I've had these socks for several years now, and they have held up so well. And I've loved them so much that I even decided to get my husband a pair, and he has loved them too. We all know that the right socks can make or break you, and these have been my trusty companions for a long time now and haven't ever let me down. And that is just my point of view.